Hello, welcome to BackToCoding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about the Android testing support library. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. The Android testing support library provides the infrastructure and APIs for testing Android apps, including support for JUnit 4. With the testing support library, you can build and run test code for your apps. You may already have the Android testing support library installed with Android Studio. To check for the Android support repository, follow these steps. First, in Android Studio, choose Tools, SDK Manager. Second, click the SDK Tools tab and look for the support repository. Third, if necessary, update or install the library. To prepare a project for testing in Android Studio, you need to organize your tests in a source set, configure your project's gradle dependencies to include testing related APIs. Source sets are a collection of related code in your project that are for different build targets or other flavors of your app. When Android Studio creates a project, it creates 3 source sets for you. The main source set for your app's code and resources, the test source set for your app's local unit tests, the Android test source set for Android instrumented tests. Source sets appear in the Android Studio Android view under the package name for your app. The main source set includes just the package name. The test and Android test source sets have the package name followed by test or Android test respectively. The source sets correspond to folders in the src directory for your project. For example, the files for the test source set are located in src/test/java. To use the unit testing APIs, you need to configure the dependencies for your project. The default Gradle build file for your project includes some of these dependencies by default, but you may need to add more dependencies for additional testing features such as matching or mocking frameworks. In your app's top-level build.gradle file, specify these libraries as dependencies. A test runner is a library or set of tools that enables testing to occur and the results to be printed to a log. Your Android project has access to a basic JUnit test runner as part of the JUnit 4 APIs. The Android test support library includes a test runner for instrumented and espresso tests, Android JUnit runner which also supports JUnit 3 and 4. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.